Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to change a toilet seat. Toilet seat has been damaged last tenant. So you're going to need a screwdriver and a plier and maybe ratchet to make the job easier. But a plier and a screwdriver is fine. You want to pop the back right here. Pop it out. Usually there's a screw right here that you can unscrew it, but for this type you can't. So there's a plier needed for the back, for the bottom, but I'm going to use a ratchet instead. Make the job much easier and quicker. You want to press down on the screw. Okay. Okay. This is actually a little bit more complicated than this side. The screw is actually completely loose. So what I want to do, I'm not going to use the toilet seat anyway. Might as well pop it off. Pop this off awesome. You see? Does this work? Now just spin the whole thing. So I have a room to grab it. Okay, so I can't pop it out. Just want to go saw it off. There you go. You can't remove the screw. Might as well cut it off. Okay. After removing the OC out, the OC was a little complicated to remove. I had to use a saw. After removing the OC out, OC was a little complicated. I I had to use a saw. Let me see, where's the screw at? Okay, the screw's in here. Sometimes I forget to bring the screw. What you want to do, pop this open. Hold on. This one is this way, pop it open like that. Okay, you got your toilet. Screw goes there, goes there. This goes right to the bottom, this way. Okay? Push it in first, like that. After that, just tighten it up. Make sure it's even. Sometimes you gotta tighten it from the bottom. Okay. It's really tight. So that's how you change it. Toilet cover. That's it. If you're watching, please subscribe.